Hi there. Let's talk about PU stone panels, what they are, and why they're the perfect solution for your home or project. Let's dive in. First up, size. PU stone panels are 120 by 60 centimeters, making them ideal for quick and seamless installation. They're so easy to work with. Just cut, glue, and hang. No complex tools or fitting structures needed. Plus, they're eco-friendly. By choosing PU panels, you help reduce the exploitation of natural resources like stone and wood. It's a small step with a big impact on our planet. These panels are super durable. They're waterproof, UV-resistant, mildew-proof, and even windproof. Whether it's for your kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor walls, PU panels stay strong and beautiful for years. About the fire rating, PU stone panels have a Class B2 fire rating, which means we don't recommend placing them on walls near fire or high heat sources like stoves or fireplaces. PU panels are now available in Ireland at unbeatable prices. Click the link in the description to discover the incredible value for yourself. So, why wait? PU stone panels are the perfect choice for your next project. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments section below. See you next time.